Hi everyone, are you looking drone with follow me mode? This video is made to help you find the best drone with follow me mode. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay update latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, CFLY, model number, Faith 2SE. The CFLY Faith 2SE 4K RC drone is a remarkable product that caters to the needs of drone enthusiasts, photographers and videographers. Its combination of a compact design, high-quality materials and impressive performance make it an ideal choice for those seeking a high-quality drone. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. With a robust 3000 mAh battery, the CFLY Faith 2SE RC drone can keep you airborne for up to 27 minutes, allowing you ample time for exploration and capturing your desired shots. Number 4. Brand name, JJRC, model number, X26 quadcopter drone uses brushless motors to provide more stable flight and longer working life. Uses modular batteries that each provide 16 to 18 minutes of playtime and a flight distance of up to 500 meters. Equipped with 6-axis gyroscope and barometric altitude fixing function, it helps the drone to keep the flight altitude, more stable flight and more convenient control. This camera drone is lightweight, compact and foldable. The adjustable 90 degrees HD camera allows you to enjoy the scenery from different angles and take clear pictures. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Equipped with a laser obstacle avoidance camera to help the drone identify obstacles, when the drone meets an obstacle it will automatically stop and will not collide with it. Number 3. Brand name, KBDFA, model number, F194. The F194 drone features a miniature 150-gram folding design, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and GPS satellite positioning. The F194 drone features an electronically adjustable camera with electronic anti-shake technology, ensuring that your shots remain stable and steady regardless of the aircraft's attitude or movement. With its wide-angle view, portability, and intelligence features, you can effortlessly capture stunning shots with minimal fuss. With the F194 drone's ultra-long remote control distance and 5G high-speed transmission capabilities, you can capture stunning aerial footage or photographs from up to 1 kilometer away and enjoy real-time viewing and control back at home. Number 2. Brand name, Lenovo, model number, AE7, equipped with an electric phase shifting camera, supporting camera switching, making shooting more flexible and fresh. Light stream positioning technology can achieve exact hovering in indoor environments without GPS signals, providing more stable flying control. It has excellent wind resistance performance and can handle flight in different wind environments. The 4-sided obstacle avoidance function can help drones avoid obstacles and ensure flight security. The bottom is equipped with a high-definition light flow vision lens, which can freely switch the shooting angle, realize the horizontal screen, portrait screen or dual angle switch. The shooting angle is wider, and the creation space is larger. It is rude and convenient to quickly start and land the drone through one-click caper, saving preparation time before flight. Number 1. Brand name, LYZRC, model number, L900 Pro SE. The L900 aerial photography drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. It can accompany you to travel at any time with the easy-to-use app to help you fly freely, create as you wish and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. The inclusion of a brushless motor ensures efficiency, durability, and reduced maintenance needs. The impressive 25-minute flight time allows users to cover more ground, capture breathtaking landscapes and execute intricate maneuvers. It strikes a balance between performance and efficiency, making it suitable for various applications. A 40-megapixel aerial camera can shoot 4K quadruple HD resolution video. With electronic anti-shake technology, it greatly improves the stability of aerial pictures, making the memories of every scene clear and smooth.